Good evening, sir.
Good evening. அனைவருக்கும் என் அன்பான வணக்கங்கள்.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, Kana. Welcome, Kana.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Start பண்ணலாமா?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Shall I go for practical problems today?
Yes,
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
First exam question என்ன கேட்டான்னு பார்ப்போம். Kindly take your PDF.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Yes. Yes. Shall I start, my dears?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Go to question number 1 in basic concept. Screen visible இருக்கா இல்லையா? The screen is visible.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Rakesh, படிக்கிறியா? Basic concept, question number 1.
Segregation of semi-variable cost. Following information is available for the first and second quarter of the year 2008-9 of ABC Limited. Production in units. Quarter 1, 36,000. Quarter 2, 42,000. Semi-variable cost. Quarter 1, 2,80,000. Quarter 2, 3,10,000. You are required to segregate the semi-variable cost and calculate A. Variable cost per unit and B. Total fixed cost.
Go through the question quickly. requirement of the question is we have to segregate the semi-variable cost into variable cost separately and fixed cost separately. You know, based on behavior, cost can be classified into 3 types: fixed cost, variable cost, and semi-variable cost. What do you mean by fixed cost? If the total cost remain constant, irrespective of level of production, total cost remain constant, irrespective of the level of production, that is called fixed cost. The total cost is varies according to the volume of production, that is called variable cost. Costs which are partly fixed in nature and partly variable in nature, then it is called one semi-variable cost. Are you comfortable? Are you with me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So in this question, we have to segregate variable cost separately and fixed cost separately, because semi-variable cost is given in this question. With respect to semi-variable cost, they are given Q1 and Q2 info. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
With respect to Q1 and Q2, unit produced details also available. For Q1, number of unit produced, how much?
48,000.
48,000.
36,000.
36.
Q1 36 agana.
36, sir.
36,000.
36,000 quantity. To produce 36,000 quantity, how much the total cost they incurred?
280,000.
280,000. Similarly, for Q2, total quantity produced
42,000.
for that, how much the total cost now?
3,10,000.
3 lakh
10,000.
10,000.
Listen here. For easy identification, for Q1 as well as Q2, total cost is equal to 280,000. 280,000 means, then it is called fixed cost. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Irrespective of the quantity, if I am going to incur, if I suppose to incur Q1 also 280,000 for producing 36,000 quantity, Q2 also I am going to incur same 280,000. In this lecture, this cost is called what? Fixed cost. Am I right? Or is there not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
For 36,000 quantity, 280,000 they incurred the cost. Therefore, for 42,000 quantity, how much they suppose to incur? For 36,000 they incurred 280,000 means. For 42,000, how much the cost they suppose to incur? Proportionately, how much the cost?
3,26,000.
3,26,667.
3,26,000.
666.66.
667.
Okay.
667.
So, if 280,000 to 3,26,667 is there, mean, then it's purely variable cost. Am I right or not?
Yes, sir.
Cost proportionately varies, mean, then it is called variable cost. The cost remain constant irrespective of the quantity, mean that cost is called fixed cost. But here, neither proportionately varies nor both are same. Am I right? Not equal. Therefore, that cost is called what? Semi-variable cost.
Semi-variable.
Are you comfortable, my dear? So first you have to identify the cost is semi-variable cost or not. Sometime in examination, they won't give that cost is a semi-variable cost. So how to identify the given cost is a fixed cost or variable cost or semi-variable cost? If it is fixed cost, total cost should remain constant irrespective of the quantum of production, quantity of production. If it is called variable cost, it has to vary according to the volume of production.
Okay.
Whereas it's neither fixed cost nor variable cost, not remain constant for both the quarter, not proportionately vary. Therefore, this cost is called what?
Semi-variable.
Semi-variable cost. Are you comfortable?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is what the available data in this question. Based on that, we are going to solve the problem. And with full attention to solve segregation of semi-variable cost. Our duty, segregation of semi-variable cost. Total semi-variable cost for 36,000 quantity is equal to how much? Total semi-variable cost to produce 36,000 quantity is equal to rupees
2,80,000.
2,80,000.
The 2,80,000 consists of partly variable in nature
Partly.
and partly fixed in nature. Am I right?
Yes.
Now, so we have to segregate out of 2,80,000 how much the variable cost and how much the fixed cost. For that purpose, formula for variable cost per unit for the purpose of segregation of the variable cost, you have to remember the formula for variable cost per unit. Variable cost per unit is equal to change in cost divided by change in quantity. What is the formula for variable cost per unit?
Change in cost divided by change in quantity.
Change in cost from one quarter to another quarter, how much? 2,80,000, 3,10,000. How much the change in cost?
30,000.
30,000, sir.
Similarly, change in quantity comes to how much?
6,000.
6,000.
6,000.
6,000 quantity and the 42,000 quantity. Difference comes to
Rupees 5 per unit.
6,000 is a change in quantity.
5.
Therefore, variable cost per unit is equal to 30,000 divided by 6 is equal to
It's 5 per unit.
5 per unit.
Variable cost is 5 per unit.
Any doubt in variable cost computation? Are you comfortable?
Sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Variable cost at the rate of 5 rupees per unit. Per unit variable cost 5 rupees. Number of unit produced 36,000. Therefore, what would the total variable cost? 36,000 into 5 is equal to
1,80,000.
1,80,000. So, out of 2,80,000, 1,80,000 is a variable cost. Balance supposed to be a fixed cost. So, how much the fixed cost?
1 lakh.
1 lakh is the fixed cost. All of you understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Therefore, answer for the question. What are the first requirement? Kanna?
Variable cost per unit. 5. sir.
Variable cost per unit is equal to
5 per unit.
5 rupees 5 per unit. Second requirement.
Total fixed
Total
cost.
fixed cost.
Total fixed cost rupees 1 lakh. This is given per quarter, right or not? Quarter wise info. Therefore, 1 lakh per quarter. Therefore, per annum how much?
4 lakhs.
4 lakh.
Quarter 1 lakh. Therefore,
4 lakh.
4 lakhs rupees per annum. Got the logic or not? Are you
Yes, sir.
comfortable?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt in the first question?
No, sir.
Kindly note it down. The same way you have to use for segregation of variable cost. Where and all comes into segregation of variable cost, because this particular segment we are going to repeat in overhead topic also, as well as what budgetary control also, marginal costing also, variable standard costing also. You are going to use segregation of variable cost. The same format you have to identify, you have to apply. Okay, segregation of variable cost, total semi-variable cost for the given quantity, that you have to segregate into variable cost separately and fixed cost separately. Thereafter, formula for variable cost per unit is equal to change in cost divided by change in quantity. Accordingly, you have to find out variable cost per unit. By applying the variable cost per unit to number of units is equal to total variable cost, balance is equal to fixed cost. Easy, Ganna?
Yes, sir.
Note it down. If you have any doubt, you can ask Ganna.
Sir,
Yes.
first variable cost, how can get, sir? 3,26,612.
Verma?
Variable cost.
What's the
How,
doubt?
sir? Sir, how, sir, it will get 3,26,612.
This one, Ganna.
Variable cost 2,80,000.
Oh.
Then 3,26,612. I didn't get, sir.
No, Ganna. I have given the example.
Okay, fine.
This is what the question given in this thing. Am I right?
Okay, sir.
Suppose whether it's variable cost or fixed cost, how to identify exact. Okay. Both the column 2,80,000 is there in this question, mean that is called fixed cost. Suppose in the question for first quarter 2,80,000 for 36,000 quantity, for 42,000 quantity proportionately supposed to be 3,66,667. Am I right?
Okay, sir.
If it is there, then it is called variable cost. But in this question, neither fixed in nature nor variable in nature. Therefore, given info is a semi-variable cost. Understood?
Okay, sir.
So this is the way in which you have to identify the given amount is a variable or fixed cost. Because in this question, they have given clearly it's a semi-variable cost. But in examination, sometimes may not give whether the cost is variable or fixed or semi-variable. So identification of the same, you have to use the tool, whether fixed or variable. Okay.
Okay, sir.
சார் சார் கேட்குதா சார்?
Shall we go to the next problem?
1 second, sir.
No. Next. Completed, my dears?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Go to problem number 2. Srishti, kindly read the question.
A company manufactures radios which are sold at rupees 1,600 per unit. The total cost is composed of 30% of direct material, 40% for direct wages, and 30% for overhead. An increase in material price by 30% and in wage rates by 10% is expected in the forthcoming year, as a result of which the profit at current selling price may decrease by 40% of the present profit per unit. You are required to prepare a statement showing current and future profit at present selling. How much selling price should be increased to maintain the present rate of profit?
Go through the question quickly.
Hello. Hello.
Shall we start?
Yes, sir.
Particulars, current situation, and revised situation. Direct material plus direct labor plus overhead. Total is equal to total cost. Add profit. The total is called selling price. Am I right? Cost plus profit is equal to selling price. With respect to current situation, how much the selling price given in this question? Selling price in the current situation,
1,600 per unit.
1,600 per unit.
1,600 per unit. In this question, how much the cost of production is not given. How much the profit is also not given in this question. Am I right?
Correct.
Company has produced the product called radio. Selling price of the product is 1,600, but cost info as well as profit info not given. Am I right?
Yes.
How much the cost per unit and how much the profit per unit is not given. So let X is equal to cost per unit of the product, cost of unit of the product, cost per unit of the product. Let Y is equal to profit per unit. Are you comfortable? Cost per unit is X and the profit per unit is equal to Y.
Why?
Out of total cost, material cost, how much percentage given in this question?
30%.
Out of total cost, material cost is equal to 30%, which is given in this question. Am I right?
Yes.
Labor cost is how much percentage?
40.
40%.
40%. And the overhead,
30%.
30%.
they have given the percentage on total cost, but how much the total cost, that is not given. Am I right? Therefore,
Correct.
let X is equal to total cost. So if the X is the total cost, out of which 30% of X is equal to material cost. Am I right? 30%
Yes, sir.
of X is equal to 0.30X,
30x.
material cost. Labor cost is equal to 40% on X, 0.40. Overhead is equal to 0.30.
0.30x.
Any doubt up to this stage?
No, sir.
This is what the maximum thing we can do based on the available info with respect to current situation. Now we are moving to revised situation. There is an increase in material cost by how much percentage?
30%.
10 now.
30%.
30% increase in material cost. Similarly, increase in labor cost by how much percentage?
40%.
10%.
10%. Am I right? And there is no change in overhead. Am I right or not?
Overhead.
Material
Yes,
cost
sir.
increased by 30%. Labor cost increased by 10%. Selling price remains same, that's it. Am I right? If the selling price remain constant, cost alone increase means profit will
Increase.
Decrease to 40%.
How much a reduction in profit given?
40%.
40%.
40%.
We have to reduce 40%. Reduction in profit by 40%. So originally 30% material cost. Now add 30% on 30. So what is the revised material cost? What will be the revised material cost?
39%. 0.39x.
39%. 0.39. 30% on 30 comes to 9. Therefore 39%. 0.39. Labor cost 10% got increased. Am I right?
0.44.
So 40 become 44. Therefore 0.44. 44%. Are you comfortable? Overhead
sir.
remains same. Therefore same 30%.
Same.
So how much the revised total cost? 0.39 plus 0.44 plus 0.30 is equal to
X.
1.13.
1.13.
13.
So everything X, right or not? When compared to X price, X cost increased to the extent of additional. So revised cost comes to 1.13x. Are you comfortable?
Yes, sir.
Repeat once again. Are you comfortable?
Comfortable, sir.
Comfortable, sir.
Yes, sir.
Profit is reduced by 40%. Original profit Y minus 40% is equal to
0.60.
remaining 60% Y alone will be there. Right or not? 0.60Y. Already 1Y is there. Now remove 40%. Remaining 60% Y will be there. Am I right?
Correct.
Yes.
So what is the revised selling price? They said there is no change in selling price. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Therefore, revised
Yes.
selling price is same 1600. Are you comfortable? Up to this stage, are you comfortable?
Yes, sir.
Now, we are going to make use of this table. This is what the available data in this question. Whatever the data available, we have converted to format. Am I right? Material plus labor plus overhead is equal to total cost plus profit is equal to selling price. Now, based on that, we are going to solve the problem.
Mm.
X plus Y is equal to
Selling price.
1600. Am I right or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
X plus Y is equal to 1600. Similarly, 1.13x plus 0.6060y is equal to
1,600.
1600. Right?
Sir.
Are you with me or not? Now,
Yes, sir.
if you want to find any element, one element should be the equivalent element. Therefore, I am going to multiply the first equation.
With a 0.60 or 1.13.
Multiply with 1.13. Okay.
0.13
0.13 into x is equal to
1.13x plus 1.13
y into 1.13 is equal to 1.13. 1600 into 1.13 is equal to
1808, sir. 808.
So plus will become minus, minus will become plus. X and x gets cancelled. Am I right? 0.60y minus 1.13y is equal to minus point. Take over one time till tomorrow. 0.60y minus 1.13y is equal to
0.53.
0.531. That is equal to 1600 minus 1808 is equal to minus
208.
208. Therefore, y is equal to minus 208
divided by
divided by
0.53.
0.53. Minus and minus get cancelled. Therefore, y is equal to how much now?
392.5.
392.45.
Round it off. 392.
92.452.
392.45.
round it off 392 வச்சுக்கலாமா 3 யா
392.
ஓகே
So 392.5 या 4 पे
ரவுண்ட் ஆஃப் பண்ணி சொல்லு எது ரேட் சொல்லு உனக்கு எது வேணுமோ சொல்லு
Sir,
390.5.
393 போடுங்க.
393, sir.
393 வச்சுக்கலாமா
Hmm.
Confusion
392 okay, ma'am.
என்ன வேணும் 2 1 3 392
2 okay, sir.
2, okay, sir. 392.
2 only yeah சரி. Any doubt in why
No, sir.
why represent bond
Why is the profit?
Profit, sir.
Profit.
for the
Profit,
current
profit.
situation. Yeah, current situation profit is equal to 392. Am I right or wrong?
Hmm.
Why
Yes.
situation profit? Are you comfortable? Now,
Sir.
up to this stage, working out only over. Now we are going for answer part. Requirement of the question, statement of computation of current profit. You have to identify current situation profit. Revised profit you have to identify, and one more requirement. What is the one more requirement? Three requirements are
Selling
there.
price, selling
Selling
price
price.
of the present rate.
Yes. Therefore, we have to identify three requirements: profit for the current situation, revised situation profit, and revised selling price also you have to fix. Am I right?
Hmm.
Particulars, current situation, revised situation, and revised selling price. Three requirements are there in this question. Direct material, direct labor plus overhead. Total is equal to
600.
total cost. Add profit is equal to selling price. Am I right?
Selling price.
Selling price for the current situation 1600. Revised situation also 1600, which is given in this question. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Profit for the current situation we got it. How much? 390.
2.
Therefore, balance is equal to total cost. No. How much the total cost?
1208.
Minus 392 is equal to
1208, sir. Total cost 1208.
sure. Out of total cost, material cost is equal to 30%. Labor
360.
cost is equal to 40%. Overhead is equal to 30%.
30%.
30% on 1208 is equal to how much?
362.4.
362, sir.
Round it off, 362. Labor 40% comes to
483.
480
Again, 362.
and 360. How much can now?
சார் அது 484 போட்டுக்கலாம் சார்.
Hmm?
ஏன்னா 1208 into 40% போட்டோம்னா 483.2 வரும் சார் அது.
483 அப்பனா இல்லையா கண்ணா?
ஆமாம் சார். அது வந்து நம்ம 4 போட்டுக்கலாம் சார். ஏன்னா நம்மளுக்கு டோட்டல் வரதுக்கு அது 362 பாயிண்ட்
இல்ல இந்த
அதுக்காக.
363 because இன்ஜின் fraction ஏதோ ஒரு அட்ஜஸ்ட் பண்ணுவோம் இல்லையா?
ஆமாம் சார், ஏதோ ஒரு ஃப்ராக்ஷன்
Yes,
போட்டுக்கலாம்.
So here 363. Got it or not? Or you
ஓகே
come
சார்.
up to the stage current situation profitability statement over. Any doubt in the current situation?
No, sir.
Are you comfortable? Now we are going for revised situation. With respect to revised situation, Increase in material cost, how much percentage?
30%.
30%. Increase in labor cost, how much percentage?
10%.
10%. Decrease in profit, how much percentage?
40%.
40%.
Am I right? So,
Yes, sir.
revised material cost comes to 362 plus 30%. We have to add, increase it.
471.
471.
471. Okay. Next.
531.
Increase in labor cost comes to
Yes, sir.
531.
531.
531.
and the increase in overhead comes to
Same cost.
363 then, sir.
there is no increase or decrease, therefore
No, there is no increase in decrease.
363. So what is the revised total cost?
1365, sir.
365.
65. Now 40% reduction in profit comes to
235.
235. Okay. Therefore tally at the per. It has to tally.
Yes, sir.
Total cost plus profit is equal to
It is done.
tally at the kana.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Revised situation also over. Now kindly go through the cost requirement. What are the last requirement, my dears?
Revised selling
Ratio.
price.
Now cost remains same, am I right? Cost has already revised 471, 531, 363. So the total cost is equal to 1,365.
365.
Now they ask you to revise the selling price. Am I right? If the cost increase mean any industry, they will increase the selling price only.
Yes.
So how much the revised selling price? How much the profit they need?
392.
How much the profit they need?
392.
392 present
Why?
rate of
Why?
Present profit then.
So what is the present profit?
390.
392.
For what is the revised selling price?
1757.
1757.
1757.
57.
If the cost increase mean nobody will reduce the profit, right or not?
Correct, sir.
Clear? Therefore, they will increase the selling price one day. So they ask what is the revised selling price? They want to maintain the same profit. Therefore, revised selling price 1,757. You got the idea or not?
Yes, sir.
All of you. Now, listen.
Sir,
here.
the current
Listen
selling
here.
price உடைய profit தான் எடுக்கணுமா sir?
அது given question இருக்கு பாருங்க கண்ணு. There in this question itself. இருக்கா? Now, in this question, majority is a past exam question. Majority of the students solve the problem the same fashion only, but the answer is not correct. Kindly refer properly. Whether they want to maintain the same profit, same amount of profit, or same rate of profit.
Same rate.
Rate.
Rate of
Rate
profit.
means percentage, not same amount.
Rate of
That's logic.
profit.
Clear? They
Yes.
need same rate, underline the word rate, not same amount of profit. Same rate means we have to identify how much the profit percentage. Are you with me or not? If 1,208 is the cost means how much of profit? 392. What is the percentage of profit?
Okay.
392 out of total cost 1,208.
32.5.
How much the percentage they're getting profit?
32.5.
32.455.
32.45% on cost. Am I right? Out of cost, they are getting 32.45%. They need the same rate of profit. Am I right? If the revised cost is 1,365, out of which they are getting same rate 32.45%. So how much the profit they need?
443.
443.
443.
The profit amount should be how much?
443.
443 is the profit, revised profit. Therefore, revised selling price is equal to
1,808.
1,808. Now understood, Haripriya?
Yes, sir.
Clear? So most of the students in the examination, they come to the same mistake. They are not asked the same amount of profit. They need the same rate of profit.
Rate of profit.
All the requirements over? Are you comfortable?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Topic. Doubts unda ketuko puriyalana kelunga.
Sir, இது past exam question.
Yes, Kanna.
Okay.
Similar questions twice appear in the examination. More than 90% of the workbook from the past exam questions only, so that it will be useful for your examination preparation. Okay.
Okay.
Srishti puriyudagana.
Yes, sir.
Vignesh understood. Kanna? Vijay, manageable.
Sir.
What about Sabari? Comfortable, Kanna? Geeta madam, comfortable?
Yes, sir. Very much comfortable.
Magesh எழுதிட்டு இருக்கியா? காப்பி பண்றியா?
Yes, sir.
What happened, Satish Kumar? Understood? Muhammad?
Yes, sir.
Good. Karan முடிச்சிட்டியாப்பா? சங்கர் முடிச்சாச்சா?
Yes, sir.
Jayan, shall we go to the next problem? முடிச்சாச்சா?
Yes, sir. படிக்கோ சார் இப்போ?
பிரியா, கம்ப்ளீட் பண்ணிட்டியாப்பா?
Sir, 2 minutes, sir. Copy பண்ணிட்டு.
ரெஸ்பாண்ட் பண்ணுங்க, அப்பதான் தெரியும். நான் அடுத்த வருஷம் படிச்சதுக்கு அப்புறம் சொல்லிட்டேன், முடிச்சாச்சு. கொஸ்டின் இன்ட்ரெஸ்டிங்கா இருக்கா?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
In our class, you are going to solve all varieties of the problem. Every question you are going to face a unique problem. So you have to concentrate each and every question. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Done, sir.
Priya mistaken, huh?
Sir, 2 minutes, sir. I'm finished.
புரிஞ்சுட்டு எழுதுங்க, அப்படியே காப்பி பண்ணாத. டவுட் இருந்தாலும் கேளு.
Sir,
Yes, Kannan.
sir, total costல வந்துட்டு direct material first caseல 30% இருக்கு சார். Then it has increased by 30%. So 0.39x ன்னு போட்டோம் சார். பட் 0.39x ன்னு போட்டுட்டு நம்ம அந்த டோட்டல் காஸ்டோட பெர்சன்டேஜை நம்ம வந்துட்டு 39ன்னு போட ஐ மீன் இந்த சென்ஸ் 1365 இன்டூ 0.39ன்னு போடக்கூடாதுல்ல சார்?
போட்டாலும் அதே ஆன்சர் தான் வரும்.
அப்படி
1365
போட்டா 532ன்னு வருது சார்.
362 plus 30% எவ்வளோ வருது?
அப்படி போட்டா 471 சார்.
ஒரிஜினல் காஸ்ட்ல தான் 1208 into 39% போட்டுப்பாரு.
471 சார்.
ஏன்னா ஒரிஜினல் காஸ்ட்ல தான் இதில் போட்டுருக்கேன், நாட் ஃபார் ரிவைஸ். லாஜிக்கல் எரர். Got it? புரியுதாப்பா? Next. Shall we go to the next problem?
Yes, sir.
Jain,
Yes, sir.
kindly read the question.
Yes, sir. A limited company has capacity to produce 1 lakh units of a product every month. Its works cost at varying levels of production is as under. At 10% level, 400 cost per unit. At 20% level, 390 cost per unit. 30% level, 380. 40%, 370. 50%, 360. 60%, 350. 70%, 340. 80%, 330. 90%, 320. 100%, 310. Its fixed administration expenses amount to rupees 1,50,000 and fixed marketing expenses amounts to rupees 2,50,000 per month respectively. The variable distribution cost amounts to rupees 30 per unit. It can be marketed 100% of its output at rupees 500 per unit, provided it incurs the following further expenditure. It gives gift items costing rupees 30 per unit of sale. It has lucky draws every month, giving the first prize of rupees 50,000, second prize of rupees 25,000, third prize of rupees 10,000, and 3 consolation prizes of rupees 5,000 each to customers buying the product. It spends rupees 1 lakh on refreshments served every month to its customers. It sponsors a television program every week at a cost of rupees 20 lakhs per month. It can market 30% of its output at rupees 550 per unit without incurring any of the expenses referred to 1 to 4 above. Advise the company on its course of action. Show the supporting cost sheets.
Good, good. Decision making question. Am I right?
Sir.
Statement of computation of profits particulars, current situation, and revised situation. Capacity given in this question. Currently, what percentage of capacity they are utilizing? Kindly refer, it is available in this question. What is the percentage of capacity they are using or not? Running at, companies running at 30% capacity.
30%. Yes, sir.
30%.
Company wants to go for 100% capacity so that they can get more profit. Right? So whether 30% capacity is advisable or 100% capacity is advisable, you have to advise.
Okay.
For the production as well as sales quantity, in case of 100%, 1 lakh is the production and sales available. Right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Available or not? In case of 100%, you can sell 1 lakh quantity. Am I right? Therefore, in case of in 30% current situation, how much is sales possible? 100% capacity 1 lakh means
30,000.
capacity
30,000.
30,000.
30,000.
The story in this question is currently company is selling 30,000 quantity. They want to move for 1 lakh sales.
1 lakh.
If they want to get 1 lakh sales quantity, if you want to reach the sale of 1 lakh, company has to incur additional expenses like lucky draw, gift item, television advertisement, clear? So some extra refreshment charges and all they have to incur. And at the same time, they have to reduce the selling price also. So after reducing the selling price, after incurring additional expenses, company can reach 100% capacity sales. Is it worth it or not? You have to identify. Got the clarity or not?
Yes,
So
sir.
is best or 100% capacity is best. Current situation is best or revised situation is best. You have to find. Where we are going to get more profit, that option is preferable. Am I right?
Okay, sir.
Sales revenue. We'll prepare per unit as well as total. Selling price per unit comes to how much? Nice response. Selling price per unit comes to Rakesh na doubt kanna.
Sir, basic doubt, sir. They have said that the company can has the capacity to produce 1 lakh units, sir. And in the question, it is given that it can market 30% of its output.
Yes.
So, but the capacity is 1 lakh, sir. 30% of output na, அப்ப நம்ம வந்துட்டு
1 lakh 30% is equal to 30,000.
ஓகே சார், அது புரிஞ்சது சார். அவுட்புட், ஐ மீன் இந்த சென்ஸ் அவுட்புட் தான் உங்க கெபாசிட்டினே சொல்றாங்க சார். அத கேக்குறேன்.
Production output, capacity something but output only. How many units you can produce, that's the capacity.
Can produce
sales இல்லையா சார்?
is producing க்கு வித்தியாசம் இருக்குல்ல சார்?
நம்ம
இல்ல சார், can produce அப்படிங்கிறதுக்கும் என்ன ஆக்சுவலா பண்ணிருக்காங்கிறதுக்கும் வித்தியாசம் இருக்குல்ல சார்?
Yes, Kanna. That's the reason they given two scenarios. With the extra additional advertisement expenses, lucky draw, other expenses, they can reach 100%. Else, they can be there in the current situation only. 100% 100% போணும்னா they have to incur other jigna work பண்ணனும் சொல்றாங்க. Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Now, current situation selling price is how much, Kanna?
550
per unit, sir.
550 per unit.
But if you want to reach 100% capacity, the selling price should be
500.
500.
is 50 rupees, therefore 500. Therefore, sales revenue for the current situation, 550 into 30,000 is equal to sales revenue for the current situation. How much?
1 crore 65 lakhs.
1 crore
65 lakhs.
65 lakhs.
1 crore 65 lakhs. Right, Agana? Whereas in case of 100% capacity, 500 into
5 crores.
1 lakh.
సార్ ఎస్ఆర్ అంటే తెలియదు.
Sales revenue.
సేల్స్ రెవెన్యూ ಇಲ್ಲ
Sales
ఎస్ఆర్
revenue.
ఓకే.
Any doubt in sales revenue? Or are you
No,
comfortable?
sir. Yes,
Revenue.
sir.
Now we are moving to cost side. What are the first cost? Read line by line. What are the first cost? Read line by line. What are the first cost?
Sarvesh call பண்றாங்க.
What are the first cost?
Fixed administration expense.
Read line by line. What are the first cost?
The work cost, 30%, 380 rupees.
Works cost. Line entry post panoli all costing. First expenses works cost. In case of 30% capacity, how much the works cost?
380.
380. In case of 100% capacity, how much the works cost?
310.
Therefore, total cost should be 308 into 380 into 30,000 is equal to
1 crore 14 lakhs.
1 crore 14 lakhs.
Yes, sir.
Sure, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Read line by line. What are the next expenditure?
Admin.
All of you kindly check it out.
Fixed admin.
Fixed administration expenses.
Administration expenses.
Total correct at 1 crore 14 lakhs. Right and check panikom. 380 into 30,000 is equal to
Yes, sir.
రైట్ కదా సార్.
1 crore 14 lakhs.
what are the next expenditure? Kana?
Fixed administration expenses.
Fixed kana. Fixed administrative overhead. How much?
1,50,000.
50,000.
1,50,000.
1,50,000 appa.
Yes, sir.
1,50,000. If it is called fixed cost, it remains same irrespective of the
quantity we are producing.
Therefore, both the column, the total cost remains same 1,50,000, 1,50,000. Are you comfortable?
Yes, sir.
So per unit cost comes to 1,50,000 divided by 30,000 is equal to per unit cost. How much the per unit cost?
5, sir.
Nama?
3 per unit, sir.
5, correct.
5. Here 1 rupee 50 paisa papa. Next, what are the next cost?
Fixed marketing expenses.
Fixed marketing cost. How much?
250,000.
2,50,000.
So fixed cost
Per month.
remains constant irrespective of the quantity. Therefore, 250,000, 250,000. So per unit cost comes to 250,000 divided by 30,000 is equal to
8.33.
8.33 per unit cost. Whereas here
2.5.
next
2.5.
next expenditure.
Variable distribution cost.
Variable distribution cost.
Variable distribution cost. How much kana?
30
Rupees
per
30 per unit.
30. Variable cost per unit remain constant. Therefore, 30 rupees, 30 rupees. 30 into 30,000 is equal to
9 lakhs.
9 lakh.
30 into 1 lakh, 30 lakh. 30 into 30,000 is equal to 9 lakh. What are the next one? What are the next expenditure?
Adjustments, sir.
Only for special expenses for 100% column. Am I right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Additional special expenses. Additional special expenses applicable only for 100%.
100%.
First one, what are the first additional expenses?
Gifts. Gift
Gifts
items.
item costing around per unit of
item.
sale.
How
30
much
per
is
unit.
applicable only
30.
for the 100% capacity? 30 per
Mm.
unit to 1 lakh is equal to 30 lakh.
30 lakh.
Second one,
Lucky draw. First prize.
lucky draw expenses. Majority of them, they committed the mistake in exam in the lucky draw expenses. Here also you'll see how many of them going to tell correct answer. How much the total lucky draw expenses?
50, 25, 10.
Right. So total lucky draw expenses comes to
85,000 into 12, sir.
no.
Sir, 1 lakh.
1 lakh answer is the correct.
1 lakh.
3 consolidation
into 3.
price. Right?
Consult.
For 1 rupee per unit. Are you comfortable?
5,000 into.
Third one. What are the third expenses?
Refreshments. 1 lakh.
Refreshment expenses. Okay. How much total refreshment expenses?
1 lakh.
Given. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
1 rupee. What are the fourth one?
Sponsors television program.
Advertisement. Okay. Advertisement expenses. How much?
20 lakh.
20 lakhs. So 20 rupees. Yeah. That's all not gonna.
Yes, sir.
Now, can you please find per unit cost as well as total cost? Per unit column also you have to compute the total also you have to.
Sir. Sir.
All the items are available for one particular month only. Okay. Yes.
Lucky draw 1 lakh, sir.
எப்படின்னு கேக்குறீங்களா?
ஆமா செகண்ட் இது.
First price எவ்வளவு?
25,000.
First price எவ்வளவு?
50,000.
50,000, sir.
50,000 plus second price how much?
25,000. 25, sir.
Third price how much?
10,000.
10,000.
3 consolidation price. 3 into
5,000.
total comes to 1 lakh. Right, Akana?
3 into 5,000. Okay, sir.
So total cost for the first column, Akana? Pick.
175750.
2 crore 92 lakhs.
Just Akana. Check it up, all of you. Per unit column also you need total pick. Each person on one column you can copy later, compute and tell quickly.
Correct. 2,92. Correct.
Next one.
3,96. So 3,96. So
96. Per unit also kindly check it up total. Quick.
So 973.33 per unit first column.
973.33. 973.33. Whereas second one.
Sir, second one unte 8 crore 96 lakhs, sir. Per unit 896.
96 now per second. Second column total tappa. Check it up, all of you.
Sir, 8 crore 96 lakh தான் சார். மேல இருக்க 5 crore விட்டுட்டு சொல்லிருக்கு.
Very good. What I put another one? 8 crore 96 lakhs. So per unit cost comes to 896 appa. Hello.
Sir.
Sir.
So,
Sir.
profit per unit and the total profit. Profit per unit selling price minus cost is equal to profit.
896. Okay, sir. Per unit 896.
Okay. Profit comes to sales minus cost is equal to profit. Good response.
First one loss வரும்ல?
No. Total
எப்படி சார் சேல்ஸ் ரெவென்யூ வந்து 1 crore 65, டோட்டல் காஸ்ட் வந்து 292 னா லாஸ்ட் டைம்
தப்பா தான் போட்டுருப்பீங்க. டோட்டல் காஸ்ட் செக் பண்ணு. போத் ப்ராஃபிட் இஸ் சப்போஸ் டு கெட். டோட்டல் செக் பண்ணு.
அப்போ வந்து சார் அப்ப மேல இருக்கிறத விட்டுறணும்ல சார், அந்த 5 crore ஆட் பண்ணவே கூடாதுல்ல
சார்? ஆமா சார், டோட்டலி
ஆட்
மிஸ்டேக் ஆயிடுச்சு
பண்ணா
சார்.
செகண்ட்
முதல்ல
இயர்ல வந்து 396 தானே சார்?
என்னப்பா
ஃபர்ஸ்ட்
சார் ஐ திங்க் சேல்ஸ் ரெவென்யூ ஆட்
ஆட்
பண்ணிருக்காங்க.
பண்ணக்கூடாதுல்ல சார்?
சேல்ஸ் ரெவென்யூ ஆட் பண்ணி சொல்லிருக்காங்க.
அதனால
காஸ்ட்
396 சொன்னேன் சார்.
டோட்டல்லாம் போட்டிருக்கு, கோடெல்லாம் போட்டிருக்கேன். அதையும் ஆட் பண்ண என்ன பண்றது? சேல்ஸ் ரெவென்யூ டிஃபரண்ட், காஸ்ட் கேட்டா இப்படி சேல்ஸ் ஆட் பண்ண முடியும்.
அப்ப வந்து 3 crore 96 lakhs அது கரெக்ட் தான் சார். அவங்க அந்த 5 ஆட் பண்ணிருக்காங்க.
ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஒன் அப்போ வந்து 1 crore 27 lakhs வரும் சார்.
ஆமா சார், நான் தப்பா சொல்லிட்டேன் சார்.
423.33 per unit cost சார் ஃபர்ஸ்ட்க்கு.
என்னப்பா?
per unit cost 423.33 வரும் per unit ஃபர்ஸ்ட்.
பண்ண கூட தான் கோடெல்லாம் போட்டு வச்சிருக்கேன். 423
396 per unit.
396 அப்பா.
ஆமா.
Profit comes to sales minus cost is equal to profit.
$126.67 per unit profit, sir.
126.67 per unit profit.
38,100,000.
38 lakh. 38 lakhs.
38 lakhs. Only 38 lakhs.
Okay.
Approximation.
Whereas total பண்ணா வந்துருங்க. நீ இத மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணல.
Okay.
1 crore 65 lakhs minus 92 lakhs is equal to. Yeah.
Sir.
92 lakhs எப்படி சார் வரும்?
என்னப்பா?
92 lakhs எப்படி சார் வரும் இது காஸ்ட்ல?
தெரியாது, நீ தான் டோட்டல் போடுறா.
இங்கே 1 crore இருக்கு சார் வாஸ் காஸ்ட்ல.
1 crore 27 lakhs.
1 crore 27 lakhs டோட்டல் காஸ்ட்.
இவ்வளவு பேர் கால்குலேட் பண்றீங்க. ஆளுக்கு ஒரு
1 crore 27 lakhs.
சார் 1 crore 27 தான் ஃபைனல். 1 crore 27 lakhs.
நாளை நீங்க சொல்லுங்க.
அதுதான் ஃபைனல்.
வரிவிட்டு தப்பா?
Sir, 1 crore 27 lakhs தான்
சார் 1 crore 27 lakhs அதான் ஃபைனல்.
சார் அது கரெக்ட் தான் சார். per unit 423 தான் சார்.
per unit 423
அது கரெக்ட் தான் சார். அது 423 கரெக்ட் தான்.
அது
டோட்டல்
கரெக்ட்
தான்
சார்.
423.33 அப்பா.
ஆமா சார்.
ஆமா சார்.
1 crore
27 lakhs.
7 lakh.
செக் பண்ணிக்கோ எல்லாரும். எல்லாம் ஹானஸ்டா கம்ப்ளீட் பண்ணா ஈஸியா கண்டுபிடிச்சிடலாம். So profit per unit
38 lakhs.
38
Same sir.
lakhs.
126.67, 38 lakhs.
Okay. Whereas here
104 per
1
unit.
crore 4 lakhs.
Not 4. Sir.
104
1 crore 4 lakhs.
4 lakhs ஆகனா
Yes, sir.
செக் பண்ணிக்கோ. Got it? Is it right? Jayalakshmi, ஏதாவது டவுட் இருக்கா?
It's okay, sir. I have to practice. I will go tomorrow. I understood.
Sales minus cost we have subtracted, that's all. Okay. Srishti, manageable இருக்கா? Any doubt?
No, sir.
No,
Haripriya முடிச்சிட்டியா?
Yes, sir.
Others completed Kana?
Yes,
No,
sir.
sir. No, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good, Satish. Vignesh, Srishti எல்லாம் முடிச்சிட்டீங்களாப்பா?
Yes, sir. No, sir.
Next, conclusion. Can you please tell me the requirement of the question is current situation is best or revised situation is best? Am I right? Whether we can go with the current situation 30% capacity or whether we can move to 100% capacity. Which one is preferable?
Current situation.
Why Kanna?
ஏன்னா
100% capacity.
ப்ராஃபிட் per unit வந்து அதிகமா இருக்கு சார் 126 இருக்கு 120
Why Geeta 100% capacity preferable?
After incurring additional expenses also, we can have the profit of 1 crore for
So Geeta is total profit is high in 100% capacity. Therefore, we can go for 100% capacity. Sadishwaran is telling per unit profit is high in current situation. Therefore, current situation is preferable. Therefore,
Proportionate calculate
or revised situation. Yes, Rakesh.
சார் ரெண்டுமே கம்பேர் பண்ண முடியாதுல்ல சார் ஏன்னா டோட்டல் காஸ்ட் பர் யூனிட் அங்கேயும் வேற இங்கேயும் வேற இல்லை சார்
எஸ் எஸ் அதான் எது ப்ரிஃபரபிள் கம்பெனி சேம் தான் எது ப்ரிஃபரபிள்
சார் அதான் சார் பர்சன்டேஜை வச்சு கால்குலேட் பண்ணா கரெக்டாக வருங்க சார் இந்த டோட்டல் காஸ்ட்டுக்கு இவ்வளோ ப்ராஃபிட்
ஓனர் ஆஃப் தி கம்பெனி which one you will prefer sorry the client is which one you will advise
சார் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் கேஸ் சினாரியோல 29.9% ப்ராஃபிட் அதாவது 30% சார் பட் செகண்ட்ல வந்துட்டு 26% தான் சார் வருது ஸோ அதனால ஃபர்ஸ்ட் கேஸே நல்லா இருக்கு சார்
ஓகே Srishti, what about your opinion? The simplest question இல்லையா based on the profitability statement which one is preferable you have to advise the client Satish Srishti, what do you feel?
தெரியல
தெரியலையே சார் சதீஸ்வரா
அதான் சொல்லிட்டேன்ல சார் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஒன் தான் சார் ஏன்னா அதுல தான் வந்து ப்ராஃபிட் per யூனிட் நம்ம கால்குலேட் பண்ணலாம் சார் அதுபடி இதுதான் சார் வரும்
the answer is 100% capacity is preferable. Note it down.
போய் சார்
அதான் சொல்ல இருக்கு listen here. Note it down. Even after conclusion part, note it down. Even after reducing the selling price by 50 rupees per unit, even after reducing the selling price by 50 per unit, comma, even after incurring additional special expenses, even after incurring additional special expenses like lucky draw, gifts, refreshment expenses, and TV advertisement. Even after incurring additional expenses like lucky draw, gift, refreshment expenses, and TV advertisement, companies' incremental profit per month, companies' incremental profit
Hello?
No.
Hello?
So how much the incremental profit kanna? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Now only
Yes, sir.
audible, sir.
Yes. எதுவரைக்கு கேட்டது கண்ணா?
Incremental profit
Company's
per month.
incremental profit.
Company's incremental profit. How much incremental profit? 104 lakhs minus 38 lakh is equal to how much incremental profit?
66 lakhs.
66 lakhs.
6
Per
lakhs.
month, 66 lakhs. 66 lakhs per month. Therefore, per annum, rupees incremental
7 crore
per annum comes to how much?
7 crore 92 lakhs.
7 crore 92.
Therefore, 100% capacity is advisable.
Sir, can you please repeat it, sir? Therefore, per annum.
Incremental profit per annum. Per month 66 multiply with 12 is equal to per annum. Therefore, 100% capacity is advisable or preferable. Got it, Kanna?
Yes, sir.
If you have any doubt, you can ask. Rakesh, any doubt?
Yes, sir. Why, sir? As a businessman, why I will go if I don't get enough profit per unit and at the same capacity? I mean, amount of profit is increasing, sir.
Percentage as well as per unit is decreasing. That's what you're worrying, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. For example, I am conducting costing class. I am charging 10,000 rupees. By way of conducting the class, I got assume 20 students. Total duration of class assume 1 month. So 20 students into 1 month, 20 students into 10,000 is equal to my revenue formula. After removing all the costs, balance is equal to profit. Somebody has given the advice. Sir, if you reduce the selling price instead of 10,000, you can sell it as a 8,000 rupees. Plus, if you are going to invest some money for advertisement, instead of 20 students, you can have 100 students, sir. Clear? So, which one is preferable? My take profit per my work remains same. My per month revenue, my duration remains same. Right? Yes, if I am going to convert 10,000 into 8,000, per unit profit will come down. But within a month, my total profit going to get increased. Am I right or not?
Yes.
Therefore, which one is preferable for me?
Second one.
Advertisement பண்ணி second
Percentage of
half.
profit is not material. Clear? And our per unit profit is material. The same duration, the 1 month, whether I need 38 lakhs or 1 crore 4 lakhs, which one is advisable?
Okay, sir. 1 crore 4 lakhs.
Clear? Good. Let's go to the next one. Any other doubts? Srishti, Prajida?
Yes, sir.
காஸ்டிங்கோட அப்ஜெக்ட் அதோட மேனுஃபேக்சரர்ஸ் பிஓவி நீங்க சொன்னது ஞாபகம் வருது சார். நாட் ஃபினான்ஷியல் அக்கௌண்டன்ட் மாதிரி பார்க்காம
ஒன்றும் இல்லை. One product we are selling nearby shop. Nearby shop, na, the price will be more. Am I right? For example, you are buying calculator in nearby shop. They are charging, assume 500 rupees. Clear? Out of it, they are having the profit of 200 rupees. Cost of the calculator 300, added profit 200. They are selling it for
500.
So 200 profit per unit profit. Same calculator you are going to buy, like Saravana store or big shops. They will sell it at 400 only. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Price is less. But in a month, nearby shop, even though they are getting 200 rupees profit, they can sell 5 calculators. Whereas that side, instead of 500, they charge 400, 100 rupees only profit. Per day, they will sell 100 calculators. Am I right or not?
Yes,
Which one is the right decision? Understand? Good. In that circumstance, per unit is not important. Percentage is not important. Total take home profit for the period is important. Okay.
Okay.
Next. We'll go to next question. Up to this stage, are you comfortable?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Concept-based questions. Yesterday we got discussed some theories, am I right?
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes.
all of you gone through the theory. Theory lam படிச்சிட்டீங்களா? Gone through the theory, revise the theory.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Concept-based question. Yes. Identify the following items comes under cost reduction or cost control. You know the difference between cost reduction and cost control, am I right? Based on cost reduction, cost control differentiation, we have to identify every item is a cost reduction or cost control. First one, savings in total cost is a cost reduction or cost control.
Cost controls.
Cost control. Cost control.
Cost control. Next, quality of the product remain unaffected.
Cost reduction.
Cost reduction.
Cost
Reduction.
Very good. Real and permanent savings in cost.
Cost reduction.
Cost reduction.
Definition of the cost reduction. Standard costing and budgetary controls are tools.
Cost control.
Cost control.
Very good. Corrective function.
Cost reduction.
Cost control.
Savings in cost per unit.
Cost
reduction.
Cost reduction.
Cost reduction.
Temporary saving.
Cost
control.
Cost control.
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 Dynamic approach.
Reduction.
Cost reduction.
Cost reduction.
Cost reduction.
Price negotiation with the raw material supplier.
Cost reduction.
Cost control.
Cost reduction.
Reduction.
Cost reduction.
Price of the
Cost reduction.
The price of the raw material reduced means real and permanent savings cost per unit of the product. Therefore, cost reduction. Reduction in conveyance expense of the employee.
Cost control.
Reduction.
Controlling the cost.
Controlling the
Cost control. Introduction of introducing JIT system.
Cost reduction.
Cost reduction.
Cost reduction. Cost reduction.
Reduction. Just in time system is the reduction. Reduction in refreshment expenses. Take off.
Cost control.
Cost control.
Cost control.
Cost control.
Now got the conceptual grip over cost reduction and the cost control.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
That 10th one alone doubt, sir.
சொல்லுப்பா எதிராக
Reduction in conveyance expenses of employees.
Yes.
Is it cost control or reduction, sir?
Control kanna. Because it's total cost only we can produce.
Sir, sorry, sir.
We are controlling overall total cost, therefore cost control.
Okay.
Next. Identify the types of cost center for the manufacturing concern. In case of manufacturing concern, cost center consists of what plus first cost center consists of what plus what plus what?
Time,
Manufacturing,
Location,
Person,
Person,
time.
the item of equipment.
item of equipment.
types of cost center, for manufacturing company, non-manufacturing company.
Non-manufacturing company, input output
Input output.
relationship.
In case of manufacturing company, it can be classified into
Product cost center, service cost center,
production cost center, service cost.
service cost center,
Non-manufacturing concern,
Personal,
personal
impersonal.
cost
personal,
center,
impersonal.
Personal cost center.
and based on input-output relationship,
standard
Standard cost center, discretionary cost center.
discretionary cost center.
in this question, they ask you to classify based on manufacturing concern. Yeah, a concept. So based on manufacturing concern, cost center can be classified into what and what?
Production and
Production
service.
and
Production, service.
So you have to identify
Service.
the following item comes under production cost center or service cost center. Now,
Service cost center.
machine shop comes under production cost center or service cost center?
Production.
Production cost center.
Production cost center.
Production.
Because they are producing the product in the machine. Production cost center. Powerhouse.
Service cost
Production cost.
Service cost center. Power is help you to produce the product. The helping department also comes under service cost center.
Service cost center.
Gas production shop.
production cost.
Production.
Production.
Service.
Production, sir.
Welding shop.
Production cost.
Production cost.
Production cost center.
Assembly shop.
Service.
Production cost.
Production.
Production cost center. Assembly
Production cost
part
center.
of production. Assembly பண்ணாதான்
Production.
production cost center. Plant maintenance center.
Service.
Service cost center.
Service. Good.
சார் வெல்டிங் ஷாப்ஸ் மட்டும் ஏன் சார் அந்த காஸ்ட் ப்ரொடக்ஷன் மட்டும் சொல்றீங்க?
Welding cost. Welding பண்ணாதான் ப்ராடக்ட் ப்ரொடியூஸ் பண்ண முடியும். To produce the product we need welding. That is also form part of
சார்
production.
வெல்டிங் வந்து சர்வீஸ் ப்ரொவைட் பண்றது மாதிரி கிடையாதா?
Welding பண்ணாதான் ப்ரொடியூஸே பண்ண முடியாது. Okay. It's not repairing expenses. So producing the product itself, we need welding process. That's
ஓகே.
next. Identify the cost center for non-manufacturing concern. Based on non-manufacturing, it can be classified into
Personal impersonal.
Personal.
so location. What type of cost center?
Impersonal cost.
Impersonal.
Person.
Personal.
Personal cost.
Item of equipment.
Personal.
Impersonal cost.
Impersonal.
Impersonal.
Supervisor.
பர்சனல்.
Impersonal cost.
Impersonal.
Branch A.
Impersonal.
Impersonal.
Engineer.
பர்சனல்.
Personal.
Personal cost center. Department X.
இம்பர்சனல்.
Impersonal.
Boiler house.
Impersonal.
Impersonal.
Cooling tower.
இம்பர்சனல்.
Impersonal.
Mining staff.
Personal.
Personal.
Foreman.
Personal.
Building machine.
இம்பர்சனல்.
Impersonal.
Canteen.
இம்பர்சனல்.
Impersonal.
Generator set.
இம்பர்சனல்.
Personal cost.
Accountant.
பர்சனல்.
Personal cost.
This are not like living thing, non-living. This you only know.
எஸ் சார்.
Yes.
Next question. Find out cost unit of the following items. Okay. Cost unit. How we are going to measure is called cost unit. Clear? Now, automobile, what are the cost unit? Numbers.
Numbers.
how many units you are going to sell. Number is the criteria. Numbers. Cement, what are the cost unit?
Bag,
Tons.
Tons or bags. Yeah,
Bags.
tons or bags.
Bags.
Chemical
Milliliters, liters.
Liters.
or quintal.
Gallon,
Yeah, gallon.
kilogram,
Liter.
ton,
Yes, come. Power.
Kilowatts.
Kilowatts.
Kilowatt hour.
Kilowatts.
Steel.
Tons.
Ton.
Tons.
Transport.
Kilometer.
Number of
Kilometers.
passengers.
Passengers.
Passenger
Kilometer passengers.
or ton kilometer. In case of
Ton
bus,
kilometers.
passenger kilometer.
Passenger
Kilometers.
kilometer.
In case of lorry, ton kilometer.
10
10
kilometer.
kilometers.
Kilometer or ton kilometer. Like passenger vehicle, goods vehicle. Passenger kilometer or ton kilometer.
Or 10 kilometers.
Nursing home.
Beds. Number of
Number
beds.
of beds.
Number of
Number of
patients.
beds.
per day and
Number
per
of
Patient
patient
day.
per day.
Number of patients. How many patients are coming? Okay, patient. Bridge construction.
Number of projects.
Number of
And
projects.
contract.
Job.
Contract. That
Number.
contract is the cost. Okay.
Interior decorations.
Sir, இது for nursing home patient number of patients or person
Patients
per
per
bed.
Per day, how many patients are coming?
Per day.
Patient per day. Interior decoration.
Square unit. Square feet.
Job.
Job.
Jobs.
Job. Square feet may remain same. What square? The same square feet I am having. I am also doing business. Jayant also doing business. But my shop is a tea shop, whereas yours is a jewelry shop. Design will vary, costly items will vary. Therefore, based on the job cost, we have to charge. Therefore, job is the criteria. Okay.
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 Next. Bicycle.
Numbers.
Numbers.
Number of units.
Yeah.
Number of
Units.
Numbers. Advertising.
Time.
number of
Job.
Sir, எவ்வளவு நேரம் time
That is also job.
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 It's
Number
by
of
way of
jobs.
voice alone, or actor or actress are giving acting. There are slide advertisement, okay, or advertisement radio mirchi, or newspaper, okay. Therefore, it's one particular job. Based on job, you have to get a particular job. Sugar.
Grams.
kilogram.
kg.
Kilogram.
Kilogram.
Kilogram. Yes. Hotel providing lodging facility.
Rooms.
Per day.
Per day.
Room days.
Rooms. Beds.
Rooms.
Room days.
Room days.
Room days.
Rooms per day also, sir.
Room days.
Room days.
Room days.
Room day நாளே எவ்வளவு room எவ்வளவு நாள் ஆக்குப்பையா இருக்கு. Okay. That is called room. Because they should have the room. Room alone is there, nobody is occupying, we can't charge. Day means occupied room. Okay. How many days and how many rooms occupied? Accordingly, we can charge. That's called room days.
Okay.
Clear? So, cost unit full and full common sense. How we are going to measure? We have great difficulty are investing the money in cost center. We are producing the product. If I am going to produce the product called water bottle, I want to recover the money by way of the product I sold.
Cost unit.
The measurement criteria, how many units I sold, that's the cost unit. How I am recovering is the cost unit. How many students I got admission in Premier Academy, but number of students is the cost unit form. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
How we have to measure, that is called the cost unit. Suppose, Srishti, you are going to market. Help பண்ணிருக்கியா நீ?
Yes, sir.
Long ago சொல்ல பண்ணிருக்கியா பண்றது இல்லையா?
இல்ல sir, பண்றேன்.
இல்லையா? இல்ல ஒண்ணா சொல்லு. இல்லையா பண்றியா?
பண்றேன் sir.
Suppose you are going to purchase vegetable. Okay. உருளைக்கிழங்கு வாங்க போறேன். How you lost that product? கடையில எப்படி கேட்பேன்? You are going to purchase buy tomato. How you are going to ask potato? How you are going to ask?
Kgs.
How many?
How much?
Clear?
Quantity.
So you have to measure by way of kgs. You are going to purchase ginger. How you have to measure?
Grams.
Grams.
One was kg. You need what? Grams long. Right?
Grams.
You need, you are going to buy milk. Then how you are going to measure?
Liters.
Liters.
Yeah, in
Milli-
liter. Clear? You are going to purchase vethalai. How you are going to measure?
Depending on the cost, 10
Numbers.
rupees.
No.
Price.
Kauli.
Huh?
Kauli. Kauli.
Kauli. ஒரு கவுளி அரை கவுளி கொடு.
Kauli.
ஒரு கவுளினா how many units should be there? How many எத்தனை இருக்கணும்?
நிறைய இருக்கும்
Kauli.
சார்.
நிறைய
Sir,
குறைச்சு
24 8 sir.
Hundreds.
100 ஒரு கவுளியில் 100
Hundreds, sir.
எட்டெல்லாம் ஒரு கவுண்ட் வெத்தலைக்கு.
கால் கவுலினா 25, sir.
ஓகே அடிக்குது பாரு. கிளியர்? பூ வாங்குற எப்படி மெஷர் பண்ணுவார்? கிளவர் மெஷர் முழம் முழம் கிளியர்? நவ் இன் வில்லேஜ்லாம் பார்த்தீங்கன்னாக்க
100.
ஸோ என்ன பேச விட சும்மா இன் வில்லேஜ் என்றால் எல்லா ஃபார்மர்ஸ்லாம் ஆர் ஒர்க்கர்ஸ்லாம் ஒர்க் முடிச்சு போகும்போது they may not have the adequate money. அப்ப கத்திரிக்காய் வெண்டைக்காய் வாங்கிட்டு போவோம். if they want to buy the vegetable, எதை எடுத்தாலும் 20 ரூபா 30 ரூபா 10 ரூபான்னு வச்சிருப்பாங்க. அதுக்கு என்ன சொல்லுவாங்க? கூறு. சபரி கலக்கரணி. ஓகே, கூறும்பா. ஓகே, அப்ப ஒரு கூறு ஏன் அதை மெஷர் பண்ண முடியாது. தட் இஸ் half kg quarter kgனா பிரைஸ் அவ்வளோ இருக்கு, அவங்க பைசா கொடுக்க முடியாது. இன்னைக்கு சாம்பார் 4 போடுறதுக்கு வேணும், அப்போ ஒரு கூறு வாங்கிட்டு போயிடுவாங்க.
ஒரு கூறு வேணும். எஸ் சார்.
Nowadays everything they are converted into rupee or kg only, right? சூப்பர் மார்க்கெட் பண்ணா தேங்காவையும் கேஜில கொடுக்கணும்,
கொத்தமல்லி
everything converted into kg multiplied value வந்துருது. நம்ம என்ன பண்றோம்? 10 ரூபாய் கொடுங்க 50 ரூபாய் கொடுங்க வாங்குவோம். ஏன்? நமக்கு கூறு இல்ல. ஓகே, வாங்க பணம் வாங்குறதுக்கு கூறு இல்ல, பணம் இல்ல, அதனால கூறு வச்சான். இப்ப நமக்கு அறிவே இல்ல, மெஷர்மெண்ட் கிரைட்டீரியா முழம்னா என்னன்னு தெரியல, கவுலினா என்னன்னு தெரியல, டசன்ஸ் என்னன்னு தெரியல, சீப்னா என்னன்னு தெரியல. கிளியர்? அப்ப நமக்கு கூறு இல்லைன்ட்டு எல்லாம் ருபீஸ்ல வைக்கிறான். So if you know the measurement criteria properly, overall cost savings will be there, right? Or go on to purchase 1 kauli வெத்தலை வாங்கி பாரு. I need a வெத்தலை for 10 rupees ன்னு கேட்டு பாரு. Then identify cost per unit. எது காஸ்ட்லியா இருக்கும்?
நம்பர்ஸ்ல வாங்குறது காஸ்ட்லியா இருக்கும்.
கவுலில வாங்கினா சீப்பா இருக்கும். So if you know the measurement criteria, overall cost will come down. Are you able to follow or not? So how we are going to use that is called the cost unit. Got the clarity with respect to cost unit? Are you think?
Yes, sir.
Yes, next. Yesterday we come across a definition class, right? Various definitions we come across, right? Based on costing thousands of definitions. Clear? So we are going to identify few definitions, concept-based questions. Okay, we have to identify what cost. Now, find out what type of cost. Cost incurred due to producing or distributing few more or few less products.
Cost incurred.
Selling and distribution.
Few more or few less.
Cost incurred due to producing or distributing.
Differential cost.
Very good. Differential cost. Answer is differential cost. Next. Interest on capital, the payment for which not actually made. Try பண்ணு, ரைட் ஆன் பாத்துக்கலாம். என்னவா இருக்கும்?
Historical
payment not made.
Imputed cost.
Very good. Imputed cost.
Imputed cost.
Good, Kana. Imputed. Additional cost incurred due to selection of additional sale channel.
Selling and distribution cost.
No, sir, that is also differential cost.
Differential cost. Yeah, differential cost.
Cost.
Loss of interest on back deposit for using the fund as a capital? Easy question.
Opportunity cost.
Very good.
Opportunity.
Opportunity cost.
Okay, next best alternative, opportunity cost. Good, Kanna.
Opportunity cost.
Savings in cost by way of change in method of production.
Savings in cost.
Savings in cost by
Controllable cost, sir.
differential cost, sir.
Decremental cost. Save ஆயிருக்கு குறைஞ்சிருக்கு. Decremental cost.
Decremental cost.
Decremental cost குறைஞ்சிருக்கு. Therefore, decremental cost.
Decremental, sir.
Yeah.
Incremental.
Incremental opposite decremental. Decrease in cost. Decremental cost. Differential cost, two types are there. One is incremental, another one is decremental.
Sir, this one is incremental or decremental, sir?
Decremental. Savings னு அர்த்தம் குறையிறதுன்னு அர்த்தம் இல்லையா? Savings in cost. Therefore, decremental cost. Payment of factory rent even after temporary closing.
Fixed cost.
Control.
Shutdown cost.
Fixed cost.
Shutdown
Shutdown
cost.
cost.
Shutdown
Shutdown
cost.
cost.
Shutdown cost. Even after closing down, they are incurred.
Sir, once more, sir.
Shutdown cost.
Sir, this is
Temporary closing.
unavoidable fixed cost னு சொல்லலாமா sir?
Yes, Kanna. Shutdown cost la we are computing shutdown cost based on unavoidable fixed cost. Formally adhaan varum. That. Works cost excluding raw material cost. Works cost excluding raw material cost.
Conversion cost.
Conversion cost.
Conversion cost.
Conversion cost.
Very kalakara. Conversion cost. That. WDV of material which are going to replace.
Replacement.
Sunk cost, sir, because it is an historical cost. No?
Sunk cost. Very good.
Sunk cost.
Sunk cost. SUNK. Sunk cost.
Sunk cost.
Sir, how sir?
Already incurred, not useful for decision making purpose.
So historical
அது
cost.
replacement cost இல்லையா sir?
Going to replace already incurred cost. WDV already over, no, written down.
Oh.
Expenses like advertising, public relation, executive training and all.
Selling.
Research and development.
Discretionary cost.
Discretionary cost.
Discretionary cost.
There is no need to compulsion to what? Do the cost. Therefore, it's called a discretionary cost.
Discretionary cost.
Supervisor salary, admin salary and all. Direct
Administration cost.
Indirect.
Indirect.
Cost.
Indirectly. Cost incurred in making trial run production.
Pre-production cost.
Pre-production cost.
Very good. Pre-production cost.
Production cost.
The supervisor salary would be indirect cost, no, sir?
Yes.
Indirect cost.
Okay.
Charges of Fast-Track call taxi for the first 5 kilometers 100, thereafter 10 rupees per kilometer.
Semi-variable cost.
Semi-variable cost. Direct wages plus direct expenses plus production overhead is equal to
Prime cost.
Conversion cost.
Conversion
cost.
Conversion cost.
Commodity cost is not included. See properly.
Direct material, direct wages, direct expense na prime cost.
Direct wage.
In this, direct material is not there. It started with the wages only.
Okay.
Material excluded, therefore conversion cost.
Conversion cost.
Material that is called factory cost. Without material,
Factory cost.
conversion cost. Raw material இல்லைனாக்கா அது conversion cost. Other than raw material cost.
அது works cost னு சொல்லலாம் sir.
Works cost minus raw material cost is equal to conversion.
Conversion cost.
Works cost la raw material cost also included. Okay. Factory cost only also called works cost. Brokerage of rupees 20,000 agreed to pay for getting rented premises for factory.
Committed cost.
Committed cost.
Committed cost, because I agreed to pay it, therefore it's a committed cost.
Committed cost.
Costs which are initially recorded as asset and subsequently treated as expenses.
Deferred revenue expenditure.
Capitalized cost.
Capitalized cost.
Capitalized cost.
Accounts க்கு போயிட்டான் பாரு. Capitalized cost.
Cost.
சார் நான் சொன்னது தப்பா சார்?
இங்க சொன்னது தப்பு. அடுத்த கிளாஸ். Administrative expenses, selling and distribution expenses which are charged as expenses against revenue.
Indirect cost.
Period cost.
Period cost incurred
Period
for that
cost.
period.
Sir, 15th என்னது sir?
Capitalized cost.
Capitalized cost.
Okay, sir.
17. Due to recession, management has to reduce the percentage of bonus.
Controllable cost. Controllable cost.
Controllable cost. Management has reduced the controllable cost. Salaries, wages, postage and telegram, printing and stationery, interest on loan, etc., which involve immediate cash outflow, immediate cash flow.
Explicit cost.
Explicit cost.
Implicit cost.
Explicit, out of packet.
Explicit
Out
cost.
of package. Yes.
Also called out of packet cost.
Out of packet.
Next. Find out method of costing applicable for the following industry. Toy making. What type of method of costing you have to adopt?
How many toys?
Yeah, method of costing.
The batch.
Batch costing.
Batch
You
costing.
can call it as a batch cost. Shipbuilding.
Contract.
Contract costing. Hospital.
Projects,
Operating.
number of projects.
Operating.
Operating cost.
Operating costing, also called service sector costing. This is not
Service
separate
sector.
chapter for you. Okay. All the chapter we are going to discuss. Okay. Separate chapter, that is what. Operating costing.
Operating cost.
Also called service sector costing. Road transport.
Operating.
cost.
Operate.
Steel.
Process.
Process costing.
Cost.
Bridge construction.
Contract cost.
Contract cost.
Contract. Very good. Interior decoration.
Job cost.
Job
Job cost.
costing.
Costing.
Job cost. Advertisement.
Job costing.
Job
Job
costing.
Job costing.
Sugar company has own sugar field.
Process costing.
Process costing.
They have
Process
to
costing.
process to produce the product. That's a process cost.
Process costing.
Soap.
Process.
Batch costing.
Process costing.
Pharmaceutical company.
அதுவுமே
Process
Batch
cost.
cost.
Batch cost.
Batch and
Batch.
Batch. Good.
Batch.
Find out. Implicit cost is also known as
Cash inflow.
Economic cost.
economic cost.
Economic cost.
Economic cost.
Explicit.
Explicit cost is also known as
Out of pocket cost.
Out of pocket.
we'll discuss out of packet cost. Cost which never useful for decision making purpose.
Irrelevant cost.
Irrelevant cost.
Irrelevant cost. Especially தூக்கம் வருதா? Background. Factors which are influencing the controllability of the cost are
Uncontrollable cost.
three factors are there. Note it down. What are all the factors which are controlling the cost? Three factors are there. One is location. Another factor is output. Third factor is time. Based on location, based on output, and based on time, cost can be controllable or uncontrollable. Okay.
Uncontrollable.
These are the three factors which dominate controllability of cost. Historical costs incurred in the past.
Sunk cost.
Sunk cost.
Sunk costs.
Sunk cost.
The next best alternative cost.
Opportunity cost.
Very good. Opportunity cost.
Cost center, sir.
No. Activity center of a business organization interested with a special task.
Responsibility.
Responsibility task.
Responsibility center.
Responsibilities.
Responsibility center. Threefold assumption in cost reduction. Definition itself. Permanent saving.
Reduction
Reduction in unit.
reduction in cost per unit
Quality of the product remain
without affecting the quality.
quality of the product remain unaffected.
Threshold.
Reduction in first one. Reduction in cost per unit. Second one. Permanent
saving.
without affecting the quality.
Quality remains unaffected.
All expenses are cost, but all costs are not expenses. True or false?
All costs are expenditures. All expenditures are false.
All costs are expenditure.
Expenditure. But not
False.
Therefore,
False.
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 Haripriya Padrag. 11th question. Haripriya.
Okay, sir. ROM Limited Company is having 3 divisions, namely Lakshmana Division, which is a factory situated in a rural area, Bharata Division, which is a showroom situated in a market locality, and Shatruguna Division, which is corporate office situated in heart of the city. RAM Limited requested you to find the responsibility center of its company.
Heart of the city. Okay. Now, we have to identify the responsibility center. The responsibility center consists of cost center, profit center, investment center,
revenue
center. Okay.
Investment center.
investment center.
Now, can you please tell me what all the divisions are there?
Lakshmana.
Lakshmana division.
Lakshmana division. Lakshmana division. Hyphen factory. Therefore, what center?
Cost center.
Cost center.
Cost.
Bharata division. Hyphen showroom. Revenue center.
Revenue center.
Shatrugna division. Hyphen corporate office.
Corporate.
Investment center.
Investment center.
Got it?
So revenue center, profit center are almost same as.
Almost same. The branch, whether we have to continue or not. Cut panlama vendaman paatha. Revenue center. The profit center. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
With this, happily we are concluding the basic concept. Enjoyed?
Sir, 11th question, one more, sir. 11th answers.
என்ன இருக்குன்னா இன்னும்
Production factory.
one more
Lakshmana
question.
Cost Center.
Lakshmana Division Cost Center.
Hmm.
Next రెండు மட்டும்.
Barada
Barada
division.
is revenue center.
Shatrukona.
Chatrapana
Investment.
Okay, sir.
Good. So, enjoyed the session. Happy.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Interesting.
Yes,
Aranda.
sir.
Basic
Yes.
concept. At least the action comfortable.
Yes, sir. Sir, one doubt, sir.
Hello.
Sir,